skin. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Morning routine for school. But before we jump into the outro, we definitely have to do an intro because I haven't said hey yet and it just feels weird. So hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Danielle here. So that was my everyday college morning routine, and you guys know I have it like scientifically like planned out, so I'm enhancing every single minute because you guys know there is no way that I am getting out of this bed unless I absolutely have to. I'm also definitely that person that has like 5 alarms that go off like every single minute, and my roommate totally hates me for it. Anyways, most mornings I have breakfast on the go. I'm not gonna wake up earlier just so I can eat breakfast at my own house, especially when my professors are completely chill with me like eating in class. I also have to grab a cup of coffee because you guys know I cannot live without my coffee. I'm probably like considered an addict, but it's completely fine. We'll just all ignore that. But if you guys love this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you guys want to see more of me and join the fam. Also, you guys might have noticed that I completely redid my entire bedroom and it looks so good, guys. If you want to see the entire room transformation, I will have that linked down below. Also, I do have a vlog channel, and if you guys want to see me in my everyday like natural habitat being like super weird and totally unfiltered, I will have that linked down below as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!